Did you know that over 1 million scientific papers are published each year? Among them, psychology research is a fascinating field that delves into the depths of human behavior and cognition. While it might seem complex and overwhelming, the hidden gems within these studies can significantly impact your daily life for the better. In this video, we'll unveil 9 mind-blowing psychological facts guaranteed to surprise you and revolutionize how you approach life. From enhancing your motivation to becoming a master communicator and fostering healthier relationships, these findings will astound you and make your life a whole lot easier. Get ready to embark on an eye-opening journey into psychology and discover a better understanding of yourself and the world around you. Number 1. Men only listen to women for 6 minutes. The statement, "Men only listen to women for 6 minutes," memorializes a stereotype that unfairly generalizes male behavior. While some individuals may exhibit short attention spans or selective listening, it is crucial to avoid making sweeping assumptions about an entire gender based on limited evidence. Effective communication and active listening are qualities found in both men and women. To foster mutual understanding and respect, we must promote open dialogue and empathetic listening, and dispel oversimplified notions that hinder meaningful connections between genders. Let's strive for equal and respectful communication for everyone. Number 2. The art of eye contact. The art of eye contact is a powerful nonverbal communication that transcends words, revealing our emotions, intentions, and connections with others. When practiced skillfully, it can forge deep relationships and foster empathy. Maintaining genuine eye contact conveys sincerity, confidence, and respect, making it essential in personal and professional interactions. However, the art lies in looking and listening with our eyes, acknowledging the feelings and thoughts of those we engage with. By mastering this art, we unlock the door to a richer and more meaningful understanding of one another, leading to more authentic and fulfilling relationships. Number 3. Blue color can increase efficiency. Blue color has been found to have the remarkable ability to enhance efficiency. Scientific studies have shown that exposure to blue light stimulates the brain, promoting focus, alertness, and productivity. Whether in a workplace setting or during study sessions, surrounding oneself with blue elements or using blue-tinted lighting can improve cognitive performance and a heightened sense of concentration. Moreover, blue's calming effect helps reduce stress levels, contributing to a more harmonious and conducive environment for achieving tasks. Embracing the color blue could be a simple yet effective strategy to boost overall efficiency and effectiveness in various aspects of life. Number 4. How video games can help you master your dreams. Video games uniquely enhance one's ability to control and master their dreams. Through interactive gameplay and immersive virtual experiences, individuals can develop a heightened awareness and imagination, seamlessly extending into their dream world. As players navigate diverse and dynamic virtual landscapes, they sharpen their cognitive skills, including spatial awareness and problem-solving, enabling them to manipulate their dream environments better. Furthermore, video games often involve complex narratives and emotional connections, fostering a greater capacity to dream lucidly and engage in vivid, memorable dreaming experiences. Embracing the bridge between gaming and dreaming can empower individuals to unlock the full potential of their subconscious mind, transforming their dreamscapes into a canvas of endless possibilities and self-discovery. Number 5. Writing down your thoughts reduces stress. Writing down your thoughts has proven to be a powerful stress reduction technique. When you put pen to paper or type out your emotions, you engage in a therapeutic process that helps unload the burden from your mind. This self-expression allows you to release pent-up feelings, gain clarity, and confront underlying issues. As a result, the weight of stress gradually diminishes, providing relief and promoting emotional well-being. By embracing this simple yet effective practice, you can create a safe space for your thoughts to flow freely, ultimately leading to a calmer and more balanced state of mind. Number 6. How talking about goals can decrease motivation. Discussing goals can sometimes have unexpected effects on motivation. When individuals openly talk about their aspirations and objectives, they may experience a decline in their motivation levels. This phenomenon, known as social reality, occurs when individuals receive praise or positive feedback for merely stating their intentions. Sharing goals may create a false sense of accomplishment, reducing the drive to work hard toward achieving those goals. Moreover, external validation from others may replace the intrinsic motivation that arises from personal ambition. As a result, it is essential to strike a balance between discussing goals for accountability and maintaining the inner drive necessary for successful goal attainment. Number 7. Convincing yourself you slept like a baby. Convincing yourself you slept like a baby is an art mastered by many yet achieved by few. With eyes heavy and mind restless, one might cling to the hope that their tossing and turning was just a fleeting dream. In the quest for rejuvenation, we paint a picturesque illusion of peaceful slumber, tucking away the reality of midnight awakenings and fleeting visions. As dawn breaks, we convince ourselves that those brief moments of rest are enough to revitalize our weary bodies and minds. So we rise, ready to face the day, armed with the power of self-persuasion and the comforting belief that we slept like a baby, regardless of the truth beneath the surface. Number 8. Thoughts in another language are more rational. In the realm of thought, one intriguing phenomenon emerges when we contemplate in a language foreign to our own, the experience of heightened rationality. As the mind navigates through unfamiliar linguistic structures, it tends to detach from emotional biases and cultural preconceptions that often cloud judgment. This cognitive distance offers a fresh perspective, enabling us to analyze problems more objectively and clearly, freed from the constraints of our native tongue. Thoughts in another language become a conduit for pure logical reasoning, fostering a profound connection between intellect and language. In this unique mental space, rationality thrives, fostering a rich tapestry of insights that transcend cultural boundaries and embrace the universal essence of human cognition. Number 9. Stick to the first name in the collection. When managing a collection of any sort, it is essential to adhere to the principle of stick to the first name. This means organizing items alphabetically according to their first names or titles. Whether it's a list of contacts, a library of books, or any other assortment, this method ensures clarity and ease of navigation. By following this approach, individuals can locate items swiftly and efficiently, streamlining the entire collection management process. Embracing the simplicity and logic of this principle can lead to a well-organized and user-friendly collection that benefits everyone involved. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through 9 incredible psychological facts that will surely surprise you and enhance your life. We hope you enjoyed gaining new insights into the workings of the human mind and how you can apply this knowledge to make your life easier and more fulfilling. If you found these facts as mind-blowing as we did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos packed with intriguing discoveries and valuable tips. Until next time, stay curious, open-minded, and seek knowledge. See you in the next video.